Hi, Connie from The Painted Photographer. We are here for week 10 of the ATC cards. Wow, the year is flying by. 10 weeks already. So let's do this, another Aquamarine. And I found a few of these items when I was out in the yard. Like, it's finally spring, I think. It's gonna tease us with winter again, I'm sure. But for now, I'm gonna take it while I can get it. And I was actually outside picking up sticks and I noticed a few things. So follow along, I'll see you at the end. So for this week, I took a card and this old paper, it's from 1972. And I just wanted text in the background. So I ripped a chunk of this out. It didn't matter what it said because you're not really going to see it anyway. And I just put it on there using the DIY liquid patina that you can find on my website. I just glued it to the top of the card, just making sure that the text was straight. That's about all I did. After it was dry, I cut around it and we moved on from there. Never knew that it could feel. I am going to use one of the DIY colors called Walk on Water with a little bit of beadboard to mute that down a little bit and give it more of an aquamarine look. And I sprayed my card with water. It was sealed with liquid patina, so the water doesn't soak in as badly as if I didn't seal it. And then I covered the entire card with this mixture of white and Walk on Water. And then I dab it off. I wanted it to be a little bit more muted in the background, so I went and did a second coat. And after that one had dried, and then I just blotted it off again. As I said in the beginning, I was outside and I seen these dried hydrangeas, and I thought, wouldn't those be pretty on a card? So in my head, this might went a little bit better. I also found this raffia outside from a Christmas decoration that was with pine boughs, and so I ripped that apart and I liquid patinaed that on. And so you can watch the process while I took the raffia and the hydrangea leaves and put them on the card. Like I said, in my head, this was a lot easier to do, but have patience. Maybe I just don't have as much patience because it did all work in the end. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh, my heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So long when you go, and I can't get enough of you. So can't you stay a little while? I don't want you to leave, so please stay with me. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little while. Hey, yeah. My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a After that was all dry, I went with my stamp I was going to use. It does have that aquamarine color in it, which is why I chose the Walk on Water. I think it matches very well. And I decoupaged that onto the card. The flowers and the stamp are not standing out well enough for me, so I went ahead and mixed up some more paint and I painted them in.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit.
Now the stamp is too bright. I'm just not ever happy. So I went and muted it down with a little white paint and then blotted it back. You can change the look of anything just by adding a little bit more paint. And then I sealed it all in with liquid patina. Here's week 10 in the lineup. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get more of these cards. So we just labeled the back side for week 10 and watch for the pretty pictures at the end and let me know what you think of this. Leave a comment. I love to hear them. So it's now the next day and I look at this and I don't think it has enough depth. So I went around with weathered wood, a watered down weathered wood, and just made some shadows around the outside of those flowers and the stamp, and of course sealed it all back in with liquid patina. Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. That was a little simpler than what I've done in the past, so let me know what you thought. Did you like it? It's week 10. Next week, I'm hoping to have a video out. It might be a little bit late, so bear with me. I'm heading to Nashville. So I'll be back on Wednesday, but I will make that week up if I don't do it before I leave. But I doubt it. because I got a lot to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want any of the products that I used in today's video, you can find them at thepaintedphotographer.com. If you're local, I sell them at Foreman's Farm Home in Medford, Wisconsin. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy painting.